Today's power word for your resume is thoughtful. What does it mean? How does it appear on your resume? How do you use it to make your resume powerful? Let's look at these and more. Hi there, welcome to TELW, the English workshop, with me, Manu, your English coach. In this series of resume vocabulary videos, we are going to look at power words that will make your resume stand out in the crowd. Remember, all power words are action words. They increase your chance of moving on to the next level in the hiring process. We are going to look at 4 things here: meaning, what the word really says and what you wish to say, how to make these power words work for you, how to use them practically. Be careful though, do not flood your resume with these power words. They will go wrong. Support your claims with your achievements. Thoughtful means the person is considerate and can empathize with the others. Such a person is also very just and can see both sides of a situation. Such people are useful in all sorts of interpersonal interactions and dealings. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the red subscribe button below. Don't forget the bell icon. Remember, when you're drafting your resume, you wish to look like somebody the interviewer would want to hire. You want to look professional, invaluable, dependable, and capable. At the same time, you do not want to hide your weaknesses to misguide the recruiter. Now let's see what this word really says. Thoughtful is a mere describing word. It tells you who you are, not what you can do to benefit the company. In other words, if you say who you are but you don't back it up with what you did, you sound fake. See, you wish to say you're a great listener and can identify with the situation easily, and your solutions are careful and reasoned out. You think through the situation, and therefore your solutions or methods are the best. You anticipate the issues well, and you have the solution even before the event. This shows your foresight and prudence also. The employer won't need to incur further costs to review your solutions. But how can you say all these things? By using action words. What kind of action words can you have? Resolved a conflict, sorted out, settled, worked out, well thought out arrangement. And then what you do? You write about the instance when you did something in anticipation which led to savings in the company. And say what you did and what the effect of your action was. If possible, give the rupee value, but again, be careful not to divulge any classified information. Let's look at a sample sentence here. A flaw in the machinery resulted in a damaged product being delivered to the customer. They almost removed us from their suppliers list. Was able to work out a well thought out arrangement and deflect the near certain lawsuit and save the company the 18 crore rupee deal. Now let's look at how objectivity is reflected in this statement. Figures, 18 crore rupee deal. Specific information, damaged product. Here you don't have to give any specific information. It might be classified. Nature of benefit, deflected the lawsuit and therefore the losses, and salvaged the sale. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.